Stop scrolling because this radiant red contrast layering 2027 Lexus LC 500 looks like a concept car that somehow got license plates. Razor-thin LEDs, a massive spindle grille, and a cockpit that feels like a private jet, but it's real. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Expert Drive. Today we're doing a full walk-around of the 2027 Lexus LC 500, finished in that deep, high-gloss radiant red with a black interior. Let's get into every detail you can see on this car. First, the face. From straight on, the LC 500 looks low, wide, and seriously aggressive. The headlights are ultra-slim with a sharp LED signature that stretches outward like a blade. And under that, Lexus goes bold with a huge black mesh spindle grille that dominates the front end, framed with a clean metallic surround and centered by the illuminated-looking Lexus badge. Even the front plate area screams Grand Tourer, Lexus LC 500 sitting right in the middle like a warning sign. Move to the front three-quarter angle and the body lines start doing the talking. The hood has strong sculpted channels that pull your eye toward the grille, and the fenders flare out to emphasize width. The side mirrors pop in matching red, and the car sits on large multi-spoke wheels that give it that premium touring coupe stance, low-profile tires, big diameter, and a planted look even while standing still. Along the side, the LC's silhouette stays clean and sleek, with that long hood, short deck proportion that makes it feel expensive from every angle. The shoulder line is tight and controlled, and the body surfacing catches sunlight in a way that makes the red paint look layered, almost like it shifts tone depending on the curve. Now to the rear, especially in the convertible view. This is one of the best angles. You get a wide, full-width taillight bar that runs across the back with a bold Lexus word mark in the center. The rear is smooth and sculpted with a clean trunk line and a performance-style lower diffuser area. And yes, the exhaust outlets are integrated into the corners for a wider, more muscular finish. From straight behind, it's modern, minimal, and unmistakably Lexus. Alright, let's jump inside, because the black interior is where the LC 500 turns into a true Grand Tourer. From the driver's seat, you're greeted by a sporty Lexus steering wheel with the badge centered and a driver-focused layout that feels low and cocooned. The dash features a wide display setup across the top, with the interface stretched horizontally for that high-end cockpit vibe. You can see navigation and vehicle info laid out cleanly without looking like a giant iPad glued on. Down the center, there's a premium console with a traditional shifter and a control dial, more driver's car than touch-everything minimalism. The materials also stand out: dark, soft-touch surfaces, detailed stitching, and a strip of wood trim running along the console area that adds warmth to the black cabin. The seats look deeply bolstered and performance-shaped, but still built for comfort, exactly what you want in an LC. What I love most is the vibe. Outside, it's dramatic and loud in the best way. Inside, it's calm, focused, and luxury first. It's that rare combo, an attention-grabbing design with a cockpit that feels like it was made for long, fast, smooth drives. So, what do you think? Does the 2027 Lexus LC 500 still have one of the best designs in the Grand Touring world, especially in this radiant red finish? If you enjoyed this walk-around, hit the like button, subscribe to the Expert Drive, and comment below which angle is your favorite, the front face, side profile, or that wide LED rear. See you in the next one.